What's up guys, the Rogue Vet back at you with another video today. So we're going to be going over the final one that I'm going to talk about, which is the front spoiler and the winglets that we got for the car. Now, again, they were ordered off of Extreme Online Store, and you can find the pricing and all the specs for how you want to get yours in the link below. Very easy, I would say, install. Helps with another person so you can help line everything up correctly, but overall pretty good. Makes the car look so much better than just the base Stingray. But let me go ahead and show you all the end result. All right guys, I've already put the 3M tape on these two pieces here, the winglets, so we can go ahead and get ready to do those. Here's the chin spoiler. Go ahead and just put the 3M all on the top of this flat surface here, just going all the way down. Once you get that done, then you can go ahead and start getting everything lined up. All right guys, so here you see it right now in the flesh. Here is the carbon flash metallic front spoiler, Z06 spoiler with stage 2 side winglets. Okay, now easy to put on. Okay, all you have to do, there is a couple bolts that you have to take off of on the bottom of the car, okay, to get you access to be able to put this on. Now in the video you'll kind of see me prepping, getting the 3M tape on there and get everything lined up. Okay, once you have all that done and it's up, you know, it's easier to do it up if it's up on jack stands or, you know, on ramps or on the lift. Go ahead, get everything lined up. There's a couple bolts you probably want to put in first just to hold it in place, and then go ahead and softly and carefully start pressing up above and just placing the 3M all along the sides. Okay, now once that's done and everything is good, it gives you the supplied bolts, okay, or screws. You pretty much put in the stock bolts that would hold your I guess the bottom air dam or something in there. Put those in to hold this in place, and then use the supplied screws to screw in and drill into the aftermarket spoiler. Okay, real simple. There's instructions that show how to do it, and there's videos that show you how to do it too. Just go all along the side of the vehicle, making sure you get every single last one, okay, and then you'll be good to go. And it's simple. Now the stage 2 winglets, there's two ways you can do it that I've seen. Now if you want to, from the factory, I believe the Z06s come from the factory with screw holes where you can see the actual screw. Probably, I think there's one right here and one right here where they drill into it from the outside in. I believe that's how they come from the factory. Now there's nothing wrong with that. I was planning on doing that at first, but I think I wanted to go a little cleaner to where it just looks just like this, where you don't see the screws. So what we ended up doing was the opposite. We ended up going from the inside in, so you would not see the bolts kind of zoomed in. Now, I mean, you can't go wrong either way. Both look good in my opinion. I just wanted a little bit more cleaner look. So let me show you on the other side pretty much what it looks like. And as you can see, that's what it looks like there. So all we did was just go from the inside in, and there, you don't see there's any, you know, screws sticking out. We made sure that the screws we got were not gonna be coming out of the side of it. So that's pretty much what it looks like. And I mean, look, it's on there good. I mean, it's on there. I mean, unless you're hitting potholes and stuff, you know, you can always put more screws in there, but it's sitting in there pretty good. Okay, real simple install. Just make sure everything's good. Once it's on there, I mean, you're golden. Everything looks great, looks real good. Now you got to be careful because you're going to be lower with this on. Now, given my car is lowered on the stock bolts, it is dropped a little bit lower than before, and then you add on this as well. You really got to watch for curbs and potholes and just stuff that might, you know, scrape. Especially if your driveway is steep, it's going to be hard to be getting in and out, which for my instance right now where I live, it is a pain because I have to take it at such a sharp angle and, you know, pretty much get everything just right, or it will start scraping right here. And as I feel right now, all right here, it is scratched, it is scraped. Now you can't actually see it very well unless I actually put the camera underneath, and you'll kind of see it scraped right here. it will kind of scrape a little bit on the bottom right here on the winglet, and then exactly the same thing on the opposite side over here. If I put my hand right about right here and then I go all the way down, it scrapes right to about here. This is fine, but all this right here, I can just feel it's rough, it's scraped, and then even like right here on the edge, it's scraped. So if you're gonna get your car lowered and put ground effects, just know you're probably gonna end up scraping it if you're hitting potholes or going down a steep driveway or anything like that. So just know that's probably what's gonna happen if you get this, but try to avoid it as best you can. That way, you know, you don't have to worry about buying a new spoiler, because after a while that's gonna add up. But that's pretty much all I wanted to say as far as the spoiler install goes, guys. It does make the car look so much better. I get so many compliments about it. I recommend it 100%, but I just wanted to go over that real quick with y'all, just so y'all know that that was it. And I mean, look at the end result, guys. This car looks fantastic. Go make sure to go follow all my social medias, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Help me out. But until the next video, guys, hope y'all have a great day. Peace.